Hey everyone, it's me Megs, and I am back with a hair care video for my texlaxed hair. This video is going to be about my olive oil and honey pre-poo treatment that I did that allowed my hair to be super shiny, super soft, and gave my hair a lot of slip and made my hair feel really moisturized. So if you've been a long watcher for my channel, I did a honey pre-poo video back in 2009, so this is an updated version. So just get you some unfiltered raw honey, you guys, some organic honey and some olive oil. And I chose to use olive oil because I absolutely love olive oil as far as me trying to build my hair back up to its maximum health. So I am going to use this small clear little container to mix the honey and the olive oil together. I know it's hard to see right now, but you'll be able to see in a minute. So just get you a little bowl if you have one. You could use an applicator bottle, but I'm choosing to use this little bowl because it's easier for me to show and to use. So I love using a honey pre-poo, especially on my texlaxed hair, and I use it on my natural hair a few times, and it just adds some amazing slip to my hair. It actually helps with breakage. It adds natural shine to your hair, and I just noticed great things when I use honey in my hair. Like, it's just so bomb. So it definitely conditions the hair. It helps prevent breakage and strengthens the hair follicles. So for me, I'm gonna put a little bit more than what I actually need. I just want to make sure I have more than enough, but you don't really need too much honey. And I purchased this honey from my local Vons, if you're wondering. So just find some organic honey. So we have that, and I'm gonna put in olive oil. You can use whatever oil of your choice, whatever carrier oil. I think avocado oil will work great also, but I love olive oil because in the beginning, since my hair is not in the best shape, I know olive oil gets my hair whipped back into shape pretty well, because olive oil is like a natural sebum when it comes to your hair, and it just, gets your hair back to tip-top shape and helps prevent breakage and adds moisture, has all types of vitamins in it. So I'm gonna mix this up a little bit with this little tiny spoon, but I am gonna put this honey and olive oil in the microwave for 15 seconds just to warm it up a little bit, because I want it warm when it goes on my hair to kind of act like a warm pre-poo treatment, and to thin out the consistency a little bit to help, spread the treatment onto my hair. So this is about all I'm gonna use. And so I did detangle my hair and I sectioned it off, but I am going to be working in 4 sections, so I'm going to part my hair. And as you guys can see, my hair is dirty, so I do this on dirty hair. This is a wash day that I do this pre-poo on, and it just works really well as far as my pre-poo treatment. So my hair is dirty, girl. So I detangled it, and I am going to use some rose water to spray my hair down to make sure that my hair is kind of wet. Not too wet, but kind of wet. So as you can see, my hair is not where it needs to be, but this is why we're doing this pre-poo treatment, to get it slaying, okay? So as you can see, as I spray my hair with water, I have a lot of texture left over. So this is what I mean when I said I'm texlaxed. I have a lot of texture left over. My hair is not bone straight. So let's go ahead and get into this pre-poo. I am just gonna put about a dime size and rub it in my hands. Make sure you aren't in a carpeted area, because this can get really messy. So I am just applying the honey and olive oil from ends all the way up to my roots, and it's not really sticky at all because my hair is damp. So with that, it's allowing me to really distribute, the pre-poo evenly and smoothly onto my hair. So yeah, so that is about that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is within each section, I'm going to part it to make sure that I apply the pre-poo within the section, because if you don't do this, it's just like you're slapping on top and you're just missing all the hair on the inside. So since I'm trying to get my hair back healthy, I need to make sure that this pre-poo is on all of my hair, because I have a lot of short pieces in my hair that I'm trying to get everything to catch up to, one length. And when I mean by short pieces, I have a lot of short little mini pieces near the root area. So this is definitely gonna help me get my hair together. So within each section, I apply the Pre-Poo, and I'm just gonna twist it up and do the same exact thing with each section. So I'm just gonna do this again. You don't actually have to use rose water. You can use regular water, but I just decided to use the rose water because it was there. So apply rose water, apply the Pre-Poo. Make sure you get in within the sections there to make sure it's distributed all over, because we're trying to get our hair healthy, like together. And really focus on the ends too, because that's the oldest part of the hair. And most importantly, the hairline, because that's a really sensitive area too. And I'm just gonna twist it back up. So in total, it took me probably about 15 minutes to apply this, because I'm really detailed right now because I'm trying to get my hair together. So it took me about 15 minutes. I twisted it up and I did the other side as well. And I'm just gonna cover this with a plastic cap. Some people, you do this, Pre-Poo method, and they sit underneath a hair steamer or underneath a hooded dryer. You can do that, but what I did, I left mine on for about an hour because I was doing stuff around the house. And then I just, proceeded with my shampoo, condition, wash day, and my hair felt so good. I felt the instant results when I rinsed it out in the shower and I went to shampoo my hair. So yeah, y'all, all details about everything I use is down in the description below, and let me know if you have tried any Pre-Poos lately that you just DIY'd. I'll be happy to hear that. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.